Jonathan Moulton's presentation on The Voice has helped him gotten such countless admirers. He was born in the United States on May 14, 1991 in Los Angeles. His parents are Mo Moulton and Lydia Moulton, and he was raised in Los Angeles, California. Jonathan is the younger brother of a married sister. Her name is Onicolvus Howard. Jonathan is the godfather to his sister's kids. Jonathan is another contender on season 21 of The Voice. However, he is no more ought to singing challenges on TV. He successfully impressed the judges of The Voice with his lovely voice and amazing performance. In his blind auditions on September 20, 2021, he performed the song Leave the Door Open. He performed for a superstar board that included Cheryl Hines and Donny Osmond. So happy for the chance to communicate my voice. Moulton expounded on his exhibition. Jonathan had a positive response from the judges during his blind audition. Similarly, he is not the single offspring of his folks. He has a more established sister named Onicolvus Howard. Both of his folks are of a dark drop. Jonathan completed his studies in modeling and performing arts at YTA Inc. Jonathan Moulton is a hopeful of The Voice 2021 who performed Leave the Door Open on tryout. He has performed on TV previously, yet he has likewise worked together with different artists and delivered his tunes. He is little ahead of the curve as an artist. On One Night, My Time and Devotion, he has already created and released his own music in conjunction with Costa Lois. Jonathan is no stranger to reality television. He performed for celebrity panelists Bob Saget and Donny Osmond on the Fox show I Can See Your Voice. In any case, unmistakably, he has a place with black descent and is multiracial. Jonathan Moulton doesn't have a sweetheart. Similarly, there is no data about his dating history on the web and his web-based media accounts. He's also appeared on a reality show named Can I Hear Your Voice. He's a composer and a singer who has already shaped Fit, Real Love and others.